Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're eagerly waiting for your 2025 Ford vehicle, like that sleek new Mustang or the rugged F-150, tracking your order is a breeze. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to stay updated on your Ford order status. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your order number handy. It's usually in your confirmation email from Ford. Head over to the official Ford website at Ford.com. This is the most reliable spot for accurate info. Once you're on the site, log into your Ford account. Don't have one? No worries, signing up is quick and free. Just click on the Sign In button and follow the prompts. If you're new, you'll need to provide your email and some basic details. After logging in, look for the My Ford or Order Tracking section. It's usually in the dashboard menu. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your order number. Type it in, and hit Submit. Boom! You'll see a detailed status update, like whether your vehicle is in production, awaiting parts, or en route to the dealership. For 2025 models, Ford has upgraded their system with real-time notifications, so keep an eye out for emails or texts if you've opted in. To make things even easier, download the Ford Pass app on your phone. It's available for both iOS and Android. Log in with the same credentials, and you'll find a dedicated Orders tab. This app lets you track progress on the go and even get estimated delivery dates. One tip: supply chain issues can cause delays, so check back regularly or set up alerts. If anything seems off, don't hesitate to contact Ford customer service. They're super helpful and can provide personalized updates. And there you have it. You're now a pro at tracking your 2025 Ford order. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive tips. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.